Hi everyone and welcome back to the Portrait Guru with me, Haydn Simmons, the channel to help you improve your art, your drawings and especially your portraits. Within this video I'm going to share a beginner's guide to drawing ears, covering various angles and essential techniques. Stick around until the end as I'll share some crucial tips and tricks to really improve your ear drawings.
Let's start by breaking the ear down. The ear includes these essential elements. I'm not even going to pronounce some of these as I'll save myself some embarrassment. But the ear isn't flat against the base of the head. It's angled when the face looks straight on. The ear is in line with the eyebrow and the bottom of the nose. The angle continues through the jawline, and the ear is also a similar angle to that of the nose. The ear comes in 3 parts, like shown here. Drawing the ear in 4 easy steps. Start with the big shapes. Start by breaking the ear into a big shape using straight lines. Make sure the height and width is correct, and there is a slight tilt or angle in the ear like the previous diagram. So now begin to add these elements, focus on the more complex shapes inside the ear. Again, check that everything is in proportion and to one another. Your drawing should essentially have no more than 10 lines here to convey the ear. Add shadows. Start to draw the shadows, especially the cast and core shadows. Remember to not make your drawing too complicated and focus on those shapes. Stick to only 2 or 3 tones for your drawing. Add further shadows and details. So remember that the ear should appear round and 3D, so shade with this in mind. Add shadows on the inside of the ear, around the top inner part and around the ear itself. Add variation to your line weights for added interest. And that's it, you're finished drawing. Drawing ears looking up and down. So now you've covered an ear looking to the side, what about looking up or down? Keep these 2 diagrams in mind when drawing these angles. Remember this helpful sentence: when a face looks down, ears are up or higher on the head, whilst when a face looks up, ears are down or lower on the head. This is because it conforms to perspective. Follow the steps from 4, starting with a big shape, breaking it down to manageable chunks, adding shadows and then details. And then you should be left with 2 or 3 ear drawings from different angles. And then my top ear drawing tips.
Remember that the ear is round and 3D and not flat. Resist drawing the details too soon and start your drawing by using basic forms and basic shapes. Keep asking yourself questions throughout the drawing, like how is the width in comparison to the height? Don't overcomplicate the drawing, just stick to 2 or 3 tones per drawing, and then practice ears from various angles and use different techniques to really enhance your ear drawings.